This video you're about to see, I want everyone to watch it. I want everyone to listen to this lady's experience with her previous trainers. It's heartbreaking. She has spent £10,000 on trainers over the last 2 years because her dog's reactive. And every trainer she went to told her to avoid, distract the dog with squirty cheese, don't walk her dogs. They even told her to do something called a disco dance. And you'll even get to see, because I got her to demonstrate, what the disco dance is. And although it can be laughable, it's actually not. All these trainers have taken her for every single penny she's got. All her life savings have been gone to try and give her dogs a better quality of life. And in reality, all her dogs needed to be told was no. Don't believe me? Listen to what she's gone through. You'll hear it from her own mouth. I'm not trying to spread hate amongst other trainers. I do this job because I love dogs and I want to give people the dogs that they want. All I'm trying to do is spread awareness for the people that claim they are trainers. If you're a good dog trainer, whether it be balanced, force-free, positive only, there's nothing to worry about. No one should feel triggered by this video. The ones that get triggered are clearly the types of trainers that this video is directed at. And instead of putting negative comments in the comments section or copying the video and stitching it and slating me, you should feel fucking ashamed of yourselves.
And then she brought out a giant dog on wheels.
He was like, find it.
On wheels.
Make it easier to drag along.
And started barking to mimic the teddy bear dog being a dog.
And then she told me that she had dash hounds. I thought, oh, brilliant, you know. Maybe she knows a bit more.
Yeah, but the trouble is they were untrained, which is why she didn't bring them to the training session.
What she told me to do is, don't walk them. They only walk them once a week. I was like, well, I can't really not walk them. Have you ever heard of the disco dance? It's another one that I heard from a trainer. So walk up.
They showed me the disco.
Walk up.
We've got to get this.
There's a dog in the distance. Every time you see a dog.
That's the quickest way to get yourself sectioned.
So I'm walking on the high street doing this. I've been told that this one's really aggressive and needs medicating. Yeah, he's quite reactive to the dogs.
Now, if any of them react, little lead pot. Yeah, just a little one. Don't need to be so firm. How it's cost you 10 grand?
Honestly, I've been told that like I shouldn't take them out, I need to medicate them. I even called the vet at one point to talk about medication because that's what I've been told to do. So they're not aggressive, then are they?
They're around, or been around 5 different dogs. And with a correction and a oi, pack it in, they've gone, oh, okay. But they're not even fixated. Wait, you know.
Well, it gets time.
See that?
Just
See that right there?
That. It was just a quick...
He was fixating, he was thinking about it, I gave him a little lead pop, I went, wait, you know. So don't ever put your dog around other dogs, but yet there's 1, 2, 3, 4 other dogs behind you. And again, any reactions, little correction, but just enough. Yeah, I'm not charging you for today.
You sure?
Yeah.
Oh, you don't need to do that. I mean...
It don't sit right with me. You've paid 10 grand, which all they need to be told is fucking no, and to be calm when you do it. It don't sit right with me charging you for it.
Oh, thank you. I really appreciate that. I don't even know what to say about it. It's just...